Alright, here's part 2. This is what the finished product looks like. If you're viewing this video independently, just know what happened was we had a driveway put in, and this guy was pretty much coming over to here and then around. So I had to do quite a bit of digging into the side of the hill. And I'll say it came out good. Seems to flow very nice. What I like about this system, the stacked concave cinder block system, that's what I'm calling it. I'm going to try to find the, of course you can't even see it there, the bird seed perpetuated. My lovely one cleaned this up today, and now we have the wall back. So I can't say enough about the simplicity and the ease of making these walls. As long as you, just like the Bible says, have a good firm foundation, that which you build is going to last. And it is. And yeah, these guys, they lean back into each other so that it helps to hold the wall, sorry, the dirt in place. So there you go. Alright, thanks for watching. Guess you got some designs. You like what you see, subscribe please. There's the thumbs up. Definitely hit the bell. And you'll see other videos as they become available. Thanks, take care, God bless. Shalom uvracha lekulam.